Parts of an Excel 2010 chart. The typical chart or graph in Excel 2010 comprises several distinct parts, including the chart area, data series, axis, legend, plot area, grid lines, and many more. Chart area. Everything inside the chart window, including all parts of the chart, labels, axes, data markers, tick marks, and other elements listed here. Data series, a group of related values such as all the values in a single row in the chart. Axis, a line that serves as a major reference for plotting data in a chart. In two-dimensional charts, there are two axes, the x-axis, horizontal or category, and the y-axis, vertical or value. Tick mark, a small line intersecting an axis. A tick mark indicates a category, scale, or chart data series. Plot area, the area where Excel plots your data, including the axis and all markers that represent data points. Grid lines, optional lines extending from the tick marks across the plot area, thus making it easier to view the data values represented by the tick marks. Chart text, a label or title that you add to the chart. Legend, a key that identifies patterns, colors, or symbols associated with the markers of a chart data series. Chart location. Click as New Sheet if the chart should be placed on a new blank worksheet, or select as Object In if the chart should be embedded in an existing sheet, and select the worksheet from the drop-down menu. A chart can be moved to a new location. Click on Chart Border and hold Drop the chart to a new creation on the worksheet. Click Finish to create the chart. No more. Press Ctrl+P to print a chart on a worksheet. Press Ctrl+F2 to show print preview of a chart graph. Resizing the chart. To resize the chart, click on its border and drag any of the 8 black handles to change the size. Handles on the corners will resize the chart proportionally, while handles along the lines will stretch the chart. Saving the chart. In MS Excel, chart can be saved in two ways. Embedded chart. It is a chart object that is placed on a worksheet and saved with that worksheet when the workbook is saved. Chart sheet. It is a sheet in a workbook that contains only a chart. It is beneficial when you want to view a chart separately from workbook data. Deleting data from a chart. Click the data you want to remove from the chart. Handle appears on the data series. Press the Delete key to delete the data from the chart. Moving the chart area. Select the border of the chart area. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the chart area to a new location. Elements within the chart, such as the title and labels, may also be moved within the chart area. Click on the element to activate it and use the mouse to drag the element to move it. No more. To have a look of your chart before printing, use Print Preview option.